First up, affiliate marketing. Huge earning potential if you're patient. Here's how it works. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, get your tracking links, and promote through a blog, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. When someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage. The pros? No product creation needed. Commissions range from 5 to 50%. The cons? You need to build an audience first. It takes 3 to 6 months to see real income. Realistic earnings? $0 to $100 in the first 3 months, $500 to $2,000 at 6 to 12 months, $3,000 to $10,000 plus after 1 to 2 years. Quick start. Pick a niche, choose YouTube or start a blog, sign up for Amazon Associates, create product reviews or comparison content, and add your affiliate links naturally. Next, dropshipping. The most hyped method, but here's the reality. You run an online store without holding inventory. When customers order, you purchase from a supplier who ships directly to them. You profit from the price difference. How it works? Create a Shopify store, find products on AliExpress or dropshipping platforms, import them to your store, run ads to drive traffic, and fulfill orders through your suppliers. The pros? Low startup costs, around $200 to $500, huge product selection, you control your branding and pricing. The cons? Requires upfront investment, high competition, and you need paid advertising skills, plus thin profit margins, usually 15 to 30%. Realistic earnings? Often negative in the first 1 to 3 months while you're testing. Break even to $1,000 in 3 to 6 months, $2,000 to $5,000 in 6 to 12 months. Successful stores hit $10,000 to $50,000 plus monthly. Reality check? Most dropshipping stores fail. Success needs marketing skills and a testing budget. Quick start? Research trending products, set up Shopify for $29 a month, find suppliers, create a compelling store, and test Facebook or TikTok ads with $10 to $20 daily budget. Third, print on demand, the easiest method to start. What is it? Sell custom-designed products like t-shirts and mugs without holding inventory. You create designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble, and they handle all the printing and shipping. The pros? Zero upfront cost, no inventory or shipping headaches, and you can start today with free tools like Canva. The cons? Low profit margins, usually $2 to $10 per item, and you need many designs to make a decent income. Realistic earnings? $50 to $200 in the first few months, $500 to $2,000 per month once you're established with a good catalog. Quick start? Sign up for Redbubble, it's the easiest platform. Create 5 to 10 designs using Canva, upload them and enable all product types, then share on social media and Pinterest. Fourth, content creation. Create content on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. You're building an audience around your personality or expertise. How it works? Post consistently. Meet platform requirements for monetization, then earn from ads and sponsorships. YouTube pays through ads, TikTok has the creator fund, and brands pay for sponsored content once you have an audience. The pros? Multiple income streams, $5,000 to $100,000 plus monthly. You're building a real asset, creative freedom, and potential for viral growth. The cons? It takes 6 to 12 months minimum before you see income. Requires posting 2 to 7 times weekly. Realistic earnings? $0 to $100 in the first 6 months, $500 to $2,000 in 6 to 12 months, $3,000 to $10,000 plus after 1 to 2 years. Platform requirements? YouTube needs 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. TikTok needs 10,000 followers. Quick start? Pick one platform and stick with it. Choose your niche, study successful creators in that space, post 3 to 5 times weekly, engage with your audience, and apply for monetization when you're eligible. Fifth, freelance services, the fastest way to make real money. Offer your skills as services to clients. Writing, design, video editing, whatever you're good at. How it works? Create profiles on Upwork or Fiverr, bid on projects, or offer set services. Complete the work, get paid, build your reputation, and charge more over time. The pros? You can make money within a week. You leverage existing skills, higher earnings than most methods on this list. The cons, you're trading time for money. It's not passive. Platform fees are 10 to 20%. Realistic earnings, $200 to $1,000 in your first month, $1,500 to $3,000 at 3 to 6 months, $3,000 to $8,000 after 1 year working part-time. Quick start, identify your skill, create an Upwork or Fiverr profile, set competitive rates to start, apply to 10 to 20 jobs daily, deliver great work to get 5-star reviews, then raise your rates every few months. Last one, online courses and digital products, the highest earning potential on this list. Create educational content or digital products once and sell them repeatedly. Online courses, ebooks, templates, presets, printables, anything digital that solves a problem or teaches a skill. How it works: identify your expertise, create comprehensive training or a useful product, host it on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad, market it to people who need it. One sale can range from 10 to 2,000 plus. The pros: highest profit margins, 80 to 95%. True passive income once it's created. One product can sell for years. You own it completely, and it's scalable without extra work. The cons: you need existing expertise, significant upfront time investment to create quality content, requires an audience or advertising budget to sell. Realistic earnings: $0 to $500 in the first 3 months during creation, $1,000 to $5,000 in 6 to 12 months, $5,000 to $20,000 plus in 1 to 2 years. Quick start, identify your expertise, what can you teach, validate your idea by asking your audience, create an outline, produce the content, videos or PDFs, choose a platform like Teachable or Gumroad, price it between $27 and $297, create a simple sales page, then launch to your audience or run ads. So, which one should you choose? Pick affiliate marketing if you enjoy content creation and can wait 6 months plus for results. Pick dropshipping if you have $500 plus to invest and no paid advertising. Pick print on demand if you're creative and want 0 risk to get started. Pick content creation if you're comfortable on camera and can commit 1 to 2 years. Pick freelance services if you need money within weeks and have a marketable skill. Pick online courses if you have expertise people will pay to learn. My final recommendation: start with freelancing for immediate income. Use that money to fund content creation, add affiliate marketing as your audience grows, then create your own course once you have authority. Master one thing before moving to the next. Let me know in the comments which method you're starting with, and subscribe for more content on making money online. Thanks for watching.